The G-Shot Coffee Roastery and Cafe is the best place to start your day in Goa. And not just because they serve some of the best coffee in Goa, they have a meditative approach to specialty coffee and food. And when I say meditative, it's literally a place to meditate. Let's hear more from one of them.
We are a group of 10 people, and we're a co-owned, co-run space. And the whole community is kind of based around our mentor, who's our meditation teacher. 6 years back, there was no community, there was none of this. And then, I was just going for his workshops, and then many other people were coming for his workshops as well. And then eventually, we decided that we kind of want to embed
Have a place together
in our lives.
Right.
So we started living together, and then a lot of intensive meditation process, and then after that this place came up as a sort of way to share that with the rest of the world.
The G-Shot Cafe is located in a villa in Asagaon, in probably one of our most favorite lanes, and it's a perfect place for when you need some peace and quiet. So what kind of meditations do you guys have going? Like I saw Osho dynamic meditations and stuff.
So like preliminary stuff that most people do when they come for the first time is mostly Osho's active meditation, cathartic stuff, emotional cleansing. And then once people experience that, and then they experience sitting with our teacher, because he does like question and answer sessions. So once people have experienced that, then they can get a little bit more involved with the more intensive meditation process that we do, which is a lot to do with body work.
So when are your classes?
So you can see over there, there's a few things over here. These are the morning meditations, which are preliminary processes, I would say. Then if somebody is interested in knowing a little bit more, they can do something that we're calling the Kundalini process, which is 7 days of an act.
More rigorous in a way.
It's the bottom end of rigorous, I would say.
Okay, fair.
It gets more and more, no? So the first level is that people commit to 7 days of 1 hour of active meditation every day. And then after the 7 days, they can come for sitting with our teacher. They can also do, there's question and answer, so they can come for that question and answer. There's some resonance there, then there's many more work is meditation programs.
Yeah, there's
People can come for.
it's like make your own meditation program kind of a thing. The G-Shot Coffee Roastery and Cafe is an experiment designed to explore what happens when people work towards consciously bridging the gap between material and spiritual. Here we learn the art of accepting life as it is in all its forms, from a man who has mastered it, their mentor and guide, whom they call simply beloved. Centered around devotion, meditation, love and celebration, the G-Shot Coffee Roastery and Cafe is an ever-changing, dynamic river of authentic living. So if you thought Goa is only about bars and parties, think again.